So one day I walked past this old Sweden classic typhoon horn, probably put up in the 1970s or 1980s. Nobody knows, not me, probably people installed it. This siren worked years ago, but then it was out of service. It was inactive until 30th November 2022. When I walked past it, it was replaced, and I was like, no, but seriously. By 5th December, it was siren test day, and I wanted to record the first test, but it failed. Well, I guess enjoy a siren test fail? Oh, det är flygplanen. Börjat video. 3, 2... Well, I might know the issue why it failed. I mean, the siren is so new that I think it didn't even have any power yet. Well, thank you for watching, I guess.
Ja Mike ei juurettu